probably the most unusual bus here at Skooliepalooza is this one. It's a Fujo four-wheel drive. It's 27 years old. It's got imported from Japan, and I mean, just finding a four-wheel drive bus is one thing, but this one is just so cool. And we'll just take a peek inside. He doesn't have it built out yet, and like, how do I get the door open? Oh, it's locked. There we go. So he doesn't have it built out yet, but he's got lots of room, lots of windows for ventilation, plus the skylights and stuff. And it's right-hand drive. And he was telling me that I think he said it's a 24 volt, so playing with it and trying to figure out how to wire things in or when something goes wrong. But he said, I'll take you around the rest of the outside, but it's just the coolest bus. I think we were sitting around the campfire at the potluck when he first pulled in, and all eyes just went to the bus. I just thought you'd all like to see a different kind of bus. Not just schoolies show up, but if you got it by bus shape, you're welcome here at Skooliepalooza. Hi everybody. Well, this is the last day of Skooliepalooza. I know I haven't been posting videos of what's been going on, mainly because I have been going around visiting buses and shooting videos for the Saturday tours of other people's rigs. And so I've got enough to fill up the rest of this year and a little bit into next year. So there was over 160 buses, probably 50 people with trailers and RVs and tents and vans and you name it. Pretty successful, very laid back. Had a few potlucks, had a big pizza party one night. And let's see, just a general laid-back atmosphere. Beautiful sunsets every night, and as you can see around behind me, there's still quite a few buses here. We've got a film crew over there from Germany doing a PBS type show on schoolie life, and a lot of people are packing up. A lot of people left yesterday. It was Sunday. Today's Monday. Probably there's some people are going to be spending another few days here. I'm going to be going back to the build for Aaron, and that you may have been watching, and we'll see how that all goes. It's like this has been a very successful Skooliepalooza. So with that, it's just a short video, and I'm going to see if I can get a few more tours before people take off. All right. See you down the road. Bye.